Transform your messy spreadsheets into perfectly categorized department data with this quick Excel guide. Let's imagine you have a large spreadsheet with employee information, and you need to quickly see all the data for each department separately. We'll break it down into easy steps to make data analysis a breeze. First, ensure your data is well organized. You should have a column that clearly identifies the department for each entry. For example, this column might say Sales, Marketing, HR, or Engineering. Now, let's activate Excel's filtering feature. Select any cell within your data table. Then, go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon and click on Filter. You'll notice small drop-down arrows appear at the top of each column header. This is your gateway to sorting and filtering your data. Click the drop-down arrow on your department column. A menu will pop up listing all the unique departments in your dataset. You can now choose which department's data you want to see. For instance, click Select All to clear existing selections, and then check only the Sales department. Instantly, your spreadsheet will refresh to show only the data pertaining to the Sales department. You can now analyze, copy, or report on this specific information without any distractions. To view data for another department, simply click the drop-down arrow on the department column again, uncheck the previous selection, and select your next department, like Marketing. Repeat this process for each department you wish to isolate. This method is perfect for generating department-specific reports or analyzing trends within individual teams. And that's how you efficiently separate your data by department in Excel, putting you in complete control of your business information.